Hello friends, Iceberg with Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson, and today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the all-new 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. Let's start with the engine on this Road Glide Special, where you have the Milwaukee 8 114. This is going to be a 6-speed transmission. The final drive on this motorcycle is going to be belt. The Milwaukee 8 114 is an absolute beast of a motor on this motorcycle. I personally own a Milwaukee 8 107, and I can tell you that is plenty of power all day long. You go up to the 114, and this is just something special to ride. If you have not had the opportunity to ride a Milwaukee 8 114, I highly suggest that you do so. Let's move up front on the Road Glide, where you have the 19-inch all gloss black cast aluminum rim. This is just such a nice looking rim on this motorcycle. And then you move up to the famous shark nose fairing on the Road Glide here. This is a fixed fairing, so it does not move with you when you are turning the handlebars. For some people, that takes a little bit of time to get used to, but I promise after about 10 minutes in the saddle, all that disappears. I really like the shark nose fairing on these motorcycles. It really does push that air around you exactly how you want it to. You are able to adjust the way the air flow is coming in on you. And up top here, you can completely close that vent as well. And then you do have just a nice little windscreen that really does help push that air up and over the rider's head. So when you're full tilt boogie on those back roads, that airflow is going to be very nice. Moving inside the fairing here, where you have the beautiful 6-inch all-tempered glass Boom GTS system. This has full navigation in it. You can get your Sirius XM through here, all your local radio stations. There is so much to talk about on this Boom GTS. I actually have done a video on our YouTube channel of giving you somewhat of a tutorial to go through it. I try to be as thorough as I can, but even after the several years of this being put out, it has so many options to go through that I didn't even hit probably half of them in the tutorial, but it does give you the basic breakdown, and I'll put a link to that if you are interested in learning a little bit about the Boom GTS system. Moving to the center of the bike, you do straight out of the box get the 2-up ready Harley Davidson seat on here. It does also come with passenger pegs as well, so this bike is completely 2-up ready. If you were to so choose, you can talk to our parts guys, and you'll be able to get a nice quick backrest for your passenger, just for that nice added comfort on there. Speaking of doing long rides with a passenger, you do also have the very nice one-touch saddlebags on here. These bags will lock for you, and when you're riding, if you go from Nebraska to Iowa and want to ditch your helmet, you can just lean back, one pull on here, and your bag is open, and you can throw anything in it that you want. I do like that one touch. It's made these bags very accessible for situations like that. Color scheme on this bike, huge fan. This is the Zephyr Blue with the black touches on it. Love everything about this paint job. I apologize, my sunshine disappeared. I came out here, there was sun on the paint, now the clouds have moved in, but I can tell you, just this really nice, rich and deep blue on here, and when the sun hits it, you can just see nice little hints of the pearlescent flake running through it. Just a beautiful paint job on this motorcycle. Well, I can tell you, looking at the 10-day forecast coming up, the next 10 days of weather is going to be absolutely stellar. You're talking in the mid to upper 70s and into the low to mid 80s. So now is the time to come out, throw a leg over a new 2020, whether it be a Road Glide or any of the other bikes that we have inside as options. Take it out for a test ride. I think you're going to be really pleased with what Harley Davidson has done with the Milwaukee 8 series for the engines and just the overall comfort and awesomeness of these new models. If you are local in Omaha, Nebraska, please stop out at Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson. As I said, come throw a leg over some bikes, put a smile on your face. And as always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson family, thank you so much for checking out our videos. And always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.